By 8. Today we're going to use some fake snow, poultry fencing, hooks. You're also going to need ornaments, a pair of scissors, and preferably a measuring tape. We're going to be cutting out the plastic section in thirds, and then we're going to use command strips to put them onto the window and the wall so it can give us a cage to go around the doorway. Snack bird. Or some bomb ass strawberries. This is a pain in the ass. Look at this shit. I'm tired. Come on. God damn it. Come. I'm tired, my feet hurt. I've been at this for almost 3 hours. I like Christmas, but decorating takes so much out of me. But final push, let's get her done. Finally done. That literally took like 5 hours. It's not difficult, it's just tedious. So if you guys ever want to try this, I would definitely say so if you guys ever want to try this, I definitely think you should do it. It's pretty simple. You just got to get a lot of ornaments, get the chicken wire. We used to have a metal one, but a couple of us ended up cutting up our hands because of it, because it was pure metal. So we decided to go to Lowe's where we got the roll of the plastic one. So that's it for today. I'm tired. I'm gonna have a glass of wine, go watch some TV, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.